The human brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in the body. Weighing approximately 3 pounds, it contains around 86 billion neurons, which are the building blocks of the nervous system. If you enjoy this video about the brain, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about the brain. These neurons communicate through trillions of synapses, forming intricate networks that enable everything from basic survival functions to the highest forms of human creativity and reasoning. Understanding the brain is a monumental task, but research has uncovered many incredible facts about how it operates and its remarkable capabilities. The structure of the brain is divided into several key regions, each responsible for different functions. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right. The left hemisphere is typically associated with logical reasoning, analytical thinking, and language skills, while the right hemisphere is linked to creativity, spatial ability, and artistic endeavors. Each hemisphere is further divided into 4 lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. The frontal lobe is involved in decision-making, problem-solving, and controlling behavior and emotions. The parietal lobe processes sensory information, such as touch, temperature, and pain. The temporal lobe is crucial for memory, hearing, and language comprehension, while the occipital lobe is primarily responsible for vision. Beneath the cerebrum lies the cerebellum, which is essential for coordinating voluntary movements, balance, and posture. The brainstem, located at the base of the brain, controls basic life functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The limbic system, which includes structures like the hippocampus and amygdala, plays a key role in emotions, memory, and motivation. Each of these regions works together seamlessly, allowing us to interact with the world around us and perform a myriad of complex tasks. One of the most astounding aspects of the human brain is its plasticity, or neuroplasticity. This refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to experiences, learning, and injury. Neuroplasticity occurs at all ages, although it is particularly pronounced during childhood. This adaptability is what allows us to learn new skills, recover from brain injuries, and adapt to new situations. For example, if one part of the brain is damaged, other parts can sometimes compensate for the lost functions by forming new connections and pathways. Memory is another fascinating function of the brain. It involves encoding, storing, and retrieving information. Memories are not stored in a single location in the brain. Instead, they are distributed across various regions. Short-term memory, which holds information temporarily, is thought to rely on the prefrontal cortex. Long-term memory, which stores information indefinitely, involves the hippocampus, among other areas. There are different types of long-term memory, including declarative memory. This memory remembers facts and events, and procedural memory, which remembers skills and tasks. The process of consolidating short-term memories into long-term memories is complex and involves various neural mechanisms and pathways. The human brain is also responsible for language, a uniquely human ability that involves multiple brain regions. The left hemisphere, particularly areas known as Broca's area and Wernicke's area, is crucial for language production and comprehension. Broca's area, located in the frontal lobe, is involved in speech production and articulation, while Wernicke's area, located in the temporal lobe, is essential for understanding spoken and written language. Damage to these areas can result in language disorders such as aphasia, which affects a person's ability to communicate effectively. Another remarkable feature of the human brain is its capacity for creativity and imagination. The prefrontal cortex, which is involved in planning and decision-making, plays a significant role in creative thinking. Creativity involves the ability to generate new ideas, make novel connections, and think outside the box. This process often requires the integration of information from different areas of the brain, including the temporal and parietal lobes. Studies have shown that engaging in creative activities, such as art and music, can enhance brain function and promote mental well-being. Emotions are an integral part of the human experience, and the brain's limbic system is central to emotional processing. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure, is particularly important for detecting and responding to emotional stimuli, especially those related to fear and pleasure. The hypothalamus, another key component of the limbic system, helps regulate emotional responses by controlling the release of hormones that affect mood and behavior. The interaction between these structures and the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in regulating and expressing emotions, enables us to experience a wide range of feelings and respond appropriately to different situations. The brain's ability to process sensory information is another area of incredible complexity. Sensory information from the environment is received by specialized receptors in the body and transmitted to the brain via the nervous system. The brain then interprets these signals, allowing us to perceive and make sense of the world around us. Each of the five senses, sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch, has dedicated pathways and processing areas in the brain. For example, visual information is processed in the occipital lobe, while auditory information is processed in the temporal lobe. The integration of sensory information from multiple sources is essential for tasks such as recognizing objects, navigating environments, and experiencing complex sensations like flavor, which combines taste and smell. Sleep is another critical function regulated by the brain. The brain's hypothalamus, particularly the suprachiasmatic nucleus, helps control the sleep-wake cycle by responding to light signals from the eyes. During sleep, the brain undergoes various stages, including rapid eye movement and non-rapid eye movement sleep. Each stage plays a vital role in physical and mental health. Rapid eye movement sleep, often associated with dreaming, is thought to be important for memory consolidation and emotional regulation. Non-rapid eye movement sleep, which includes deep sleep stages, is essential for physical restoration and growth. Sleep deprivation can have severe consequences for brain function, affecting everything from cognitive performance to emotional stability. The brain's reward system is another area of intense research interest. This system, which involves structures such as the nucleus accumbens and the ventral tegmental area, is responsible for the sensation of pleasure and motivation. The neurotransmitter dopamine plays a crucial role in this system, influencing our behavior by reinforcing actions that are pleasurable or rewarding. This system is not only essential for survival behaviors like eating and reproduction, but also plays a role in addiction, where certain substances or behaviors can hijack the reward system and lead to compulsive behavior. The human brain is also responsible for higher cognitive functions, such as reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. These functions are primarily associated with the prefrontal cortex, which allows us to plan for the future, make complex decisions, and solve abstract problems. Executive functions, a set of cognitive processes that include working memory, cognitive flexibility, and inhibitory control, are essential for goal-directed behavior and self-regulation. These abilities enable us to manage our thoughts, actions, and emotions in a coherent and adaptive manner. Advances in neuroscience have also revealed the importance of brain health and the factors that influence it. Neurogenesis, the process of generating new neurons, occurs throughout life, particularly in the hippocampus. This process is influenced by various factors, including physical exercise, mental stimulation, social interactions, and diet. For example, regular physical activity has been shown to promote neurogenesis and improve cognitive function. A healthy diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other nutrients can support brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The study of the human brain also extends to understanding mental health and disorders. Conditions such as depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder involve complex interactions between genetic, environmental, and neurobiological factors. Advances in brain imaging techniques, such as magnetic resonance imaging and positron emission tomography scans, have allowed researchers to observe brain activity and structure in unprecedented detail, leading to better understanding and treatments for these conditions. Psychotherapy, medication, and lifestyle changes are some of the approaches used to manage mental health disorders, highlighting the importance of a holistic approach to brain health. The brain's role in social interactions is another fascinating area of study. Humans are inherently social beings, and the brain has specialized mechanisms for understanding and responding to social cues. The mirror neuron system, for example, is thought to be involved in empathy and the ability to understand the actions and intentions of others. The prefrontal cortex and the temporoparietal junction are also critical for social cognition, allowing us to navigate complex social environments and build relationships. Another area of interest is the impact of technology on the brain. The rise of digital media and constant connectivity has raised questions about how these changes affect our cognitive abilities, attention spans, and social interactions. While technology offers numerous benefits, such as access to information and enhanced communication, it also presents challenges, including the potential for distraction, information overload, and reduced face-to-face interactions. Understanding how to balance the use of technology with maintaining brain health is an ongoing area of research. The human brain's ability to adapt and change also offers hope for recovery from brain injuries and diseases. Rehabilitation techniques, such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy, leverage the brain's plasticity to help individuals regain lost functions. Advances in brain-computer interfaces and neuroprosthetics are also opening new possibilities for restoring mobility and communication in individuals with severe disabilities. In conclusion, the human brain is an extraordinary organ with remarkable capabilities and complexities. From controlling basic life functions to enabling higher cognitive processes and emotional experiences, the brain is central to every aspect of our existence. Ongoing research continues to unravel the mysteries of the brain, offering insights into how we learn, adapt, and thrive. As we deepen our understanding of this incredible organ, we can develop better strategies to promote brain health, treat neurological and mental health disorders, and enhance our cognitive abilities, ultimately improving the quality of life for individuals around the world. If you enjoyed this video about the brain, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone. Credit for some of the footage used to make this video goes to Vecteezy.com.